In your 8th grade learning standards, it states, determine an author's point of view or purpose in a text and analyze how the author acknowledges and responds to conflicting evidence or viewpoints. So what does this mean? Point of view is a particular attitude or way of considering a matter, and perspective is a particular attitude toward a way of regarding something, a point of view. So really you want to think about point of view, and you also want to think about purpose as it states in your standards. We talked about purpose quite a bit through the term PIDE: persuade, inform, explain, entertain, and describe. For further information on PIDE, feel free to check out the class wiki page for additional supplemental material. But understanding author's point of view in an informational text basically shows the perspective of who is talking about the text, and the point of view is talking about how they tell it. So for example, if you have an author who is writing some commentary about certain happenings in the community, they might have a very long narrative way of describing the events in the community because they are a natural writer. But if you have your local mechanic who is more hands-on and may not necessarily be a writer, a natural writer, then his point of view and his perspective and the way that he writes information might look very different. Understanding these two perspectives and understanding where text comes from and who formulates text all barrels down into the idea of point of view and perspective.